My name is Natasha Bordeaux, and I am performing the sterile wound dressing change for Nightingale's BSN 206. I would start by knocking on the patient's door, providing privacy, introduce myself. Hi, my name is Natasha. I'm going to be your nurse today, and I am going to be changing the dressing on your wound. Can I have you verify your first and last name and your date of birth? Check that to their patient wristband, confirm that this is the right patient. I'm going to perform hand hygiene and put on a pair of non-sterile gloves. And I have my supplies, which is a sterile dressing change, and my gloves ready for me. I'm gonna let the patient know, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the old wound dressing. I'm gonna take a look, we're gonna clean it and place the new dressing on it. I'm going to first start by holding the skin taut and lifting that Band-Aid and pulling the bandage parallel to the skin. We will dispose of that in our biohazard bag. I'm going to take off my old gloves and dispose into my biohazard bag. Next, I'm going to perform hand hygiene, and I'm going to open up my dressing kit. We're going to remove our sterile gloves. And only lifting that first little tabby, making sure not to touch any further than that 1 inch margin. We're going to lay our gloves flat. Okay. Now we are going to clean the wound with our antiseptic. I'm going to click it to make sure it gets damp. Starting in the middle, we're going to do circles and work our way out to the surrounding area. Dispose. We're going to dry the wound with the gauze. We're going to inspect the wound. There seems to be no discharge, no smell, redness in the appropriate areas. Wound seems to be healing just fine. We are then going to take our clear dressing pad and lay that onto the wound. And removing the remaining dressing. Dispose of our items. Perform hand hygiene. Advise the patient that if any odd drainage smell begins to form, redness spreading outside of the normal boundaries, to let us know. Perform hand hygiene. Make sure patient is comfortable, leave the room, and go and document what I just did.